videoing. Video all you want.
Jeremy, it's moving.
And it's what it's supposed to do.
But right here is worse.
Come on. Videoing, so.
Fat chick.
Talk to it and we'll put it on YouTube.
This, but wait, this is the Queen's Gambit, or Gambit.
Queen.
Queen,
It's the Queen. It's not the Queen's Gambit. The Queen's Gambit is an arrow.
this is the Queen. It's called the Queen ship. And there's a
West
flag.
Okoboji, Iowa.
It's in Okoboji, Iowa. And this is my first time being on a ship. So I'm pretty excited and a little,
People just honed in on our spot.
I know, a little scared, but this is my second time being on a boat. But I know how they just, people.
Just kind of shoved their way in.
I know. Whoop. I almost fell off. Oh, okay. And this, he came with me. And look, there's this. She was taking a video of him. And he's been on more ships and boats than I have. I have not.
As we head back up
Ooh, and there's a
we
rescue.
will
Can I
pass
zoom in on
Pocahontas
this?
Point, so named because of the Garland family who settled in the area, and they were from Pocahontas, Iowa. Looking to the west, you view
And
the
that's
wide
a
expanse
rescue.
of Emerson Bay,
Ooh, rescue.
homes and cottages,
Some boat.
a church,
Somebody's rescuing
and in the
somebody.
northwest corner, French Bay Resort,
Search and rescue.
much larger than it is at the present time.
They're coming this way. I can't see where they're at. There they are. I see them. So, look, kids. Is that kids?
Jet ski.
Developer James Beck dredged 3 miles of canals inland from Crescent Beach to Eagle Point, then
Oh,
to Miller's Bay.
that's cool. That's jet
With
ski.
arched bridges.
Where did I go?
His concept for the advent
I know.
of the roads and the automobile was to sell lots on the canal.
Oh, jet ski. Let me see if I can. I zoom way in. There's a jet ski. Never been on a jet ski either, so that's pretty cool.
Anytime you will.
And
they talk about information.
We'll get back to it.
Wait, I zoomed in. Hold on. Wait. Okay,
Back to it here in a bit. Just shut it down. I'm going to take some pictures.
Okay, hold on.
area of Iowa.
Okay.
My beautiful wife.
It's probably close up.